Welcome back to our Hisckeno channel. Today we want to take the opportunity to introduce you to one of our other units that we have for sale. So today we have our Hisckeno HK14N. This is equipped with the Briggs Stratton 13.5 horsepower engine and comes in weighing around 3,300 pounds. As the camera moves closer, we can take a look at the hydraulic thumb that comes equipped and standard on all of our excavator units. And this also comes equipped with a 16-inch bucket to get you to work right away. Looking at the blade, you can see that the blade has extensions that fold in and outward. The reason for that being is the tracks go in and out, so when you need to get into a tight space, you can pull the tracks in, fold the blade in by simply pulling the pins up, folding it, and resetting the pins. Taking a look in front of the seat, these levers operate your tracks forwards and backwards. This one lifts and lowers your blade, and this one operates your thumb. This lever here, when folded down, activates the functions of the hydraulics so you can operate your boom, arm, bucket, thumb, etc. Lifting it up disables it. Working our way around to the back, I'd like to go ahead and open the hatch for you. You can see that you have easy access to the Briggs Stratton engine for maintenance. And then when you're low on fluid, you simply lift the seat, fill it up, and then close it back. Pretty easy, folks. And then as the camera works its way around, I always like to point out how well ventilated our equipment is. As you can see, this 14N is very well ventilated, allowing air to move in and out. This also has a hydraulic cooler on it as well. The gauge for the hydraulic fluid is seen here. As long as the fluid is at the red dot or a little bit above, you're good to go. If you notice that you need to add hydraulic fluid, you lift this compartment here, add your fluid, close it up, good to go. Okay, that pretty much points out the functions on it. I guess now it's time for me to hop on and have some fun. We'll see you in a second. guys, that's the operation of the HK14N. As you can see in the video, this thing has smooth hydraulics. The hydraulic thumb works great. Also, you can see with the boom extended all the way out, this 13.5 horse gas excavator still had the power to pick itself up. Not a lot of excavators can do that. Again, thanks for tuning in to our Hisckeno channel here on YouTube. Check back soon, we'll have more videos to show you. Thanks.